Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be taking a look at some must-see short hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous blonde bob style. And this one ends just around her jawline, giving her this nice, chic, modern look. So moving into transformation number 2, now she has this gorgeous long wavy hair, and the stylist chops the hair off into a bob. Look at all that hair gone. I love the natural texture of her hair. It's just so thick and full. I think she would look really good with a pixie cut as well if she wanted to go even shorter. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders, about mid-length, I would say. Ooh, she switches it up with this gorgeous pixie. Look how full her hair looks. Like she got that stacked pixie cut. She definitely has a lot of volume here. Gorgeous. Oh, so we have someone with the clippers. I love when stylists let you like take the scissors or the clippers and cut some of the hair yourself. So it looks like she is definitely getting a pixie cut here. Super short pixie. Little bit of color. The color is like this gorgeous chocolate hue. Oh, this is giving me like 90s vibes. Oh, this is cute. She's got her natural texture. And then here we have someone getting a pixie recut, refresh. Followed by someone getting another pixie. Beautiful. A lot of spiky texture going there with that one. So here we have someone with mid-length or so hair. Stylist cuts the hair into a bob. Oh, this is fancy. This has a very unique shape to it. It's more of that like boy cut bob shape that we're seeing right now. Very cute and very 90s. Like this is definitely 90s inspired. So let me know which hairstyle from today's video was your favorite. Would you try any of these haircuts yourself? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.